Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can cut/trim down video in HandBrake. So if I just bring my video into HandBrake, and now I have it loaded in, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come up to where it says range, and we're going to change from chapters to seconds, and then here is where we can set the start time and the end time of the exported video. So I'm just going to leave the video starting at 0 seconds, but instead I will have the export end 5 seconds later, so I will change it from 3 minutes to 0 minutes, and then I will just change the seconds to 5 seconds. So that means that the exported video will only be the first 5 seconds of this video that we have brought in. So I will just select where I want the video to be saved, and what I want it to be called. And now I've done that, if I now just start the encoding, and there we go, it's now encoded the video, and I set it to come out onto the desktop, so if I just open it up, as you can see, it is only 5 seconds long, as that is the duration that I set for it. So if you wanted to start it further on into your original video, all you would do is just increase the start time that the video will start at. And if all you want to do is make it shorter, all you have to do is reduce the end value. So if you just change the start and the end value, that will change what portion of the video will be exported. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.